Find the value of 3x minus 5y squared minus 2xyz over 6 when x equals to 3, y equals to minus 4, and z is equals to 2. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve this. So the first step is, okay, I'm going to rewrite the expression here. 3x minus 5y squared minus 2xyz over 6. Alright, now we need to substitute the variables with the values given here. Alright, so I have 3. So x is 3 minus 5. Y is minus 4. So minus 4 square minus 2 and x, y, z. So x is 3, y is minus 4, and z is 2. Okay, the whole thing divided by 6. Alright, so we can do this step by step. So the first expression, 3 into 3 is straightforward. There will be 9. Alright, now over here we have minus 5 multiplied by minus 4 squared. So we can do the minus 4 square first. So minus 4 square is basically minus 4 times minus 4. So minus times minus will give me plus. So and 4 times 4 is 16. So this is 16. Alright, so if you want to put the plus sign, you can put. Alright, if not, you can also leave it out as long as you know that it is a positive. Alright. Okay, so let me rewrite this in the same color here. Alright. Next, we have this expression. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by 2. Alright. Now, to do this, again, you can do it pair by pair, or you can do it one shot as well. So you have to be careful about the signs. So let's look at the signs first to be sure. So we have a minus here, and you have a plus. Alright, there's a plus over here even though it's not written, and then you have another minus, and then you have another plus. Alright, so let's look at this. So if I take the first two, minus times a plus, okay, this and this, I will get a minus. Alright, and then from this minus, I multiply by minus again, I will get a plus. Alright, and then from here, I multiply by plus again, I will get a plus. Alright, so effectively, this whole series of multiplications will give me a final sign of plus. Alright, so instead of a negative over here, it's going to be a positive. Alright, so I'm doing the signs first, and then I will do the numbers later. Again, you can do it step by step, correct? If you don't want to do it this way, you can say that I will do minus 2 times plus 3, then plus 3 times minus 4, then minus 4 times plus 2. Again, it's up to you. Alright, so I'm doing the signs first just to be sure what's the final sign that I get. Alright, so minus times plus times minus times plus will give me a plus, and then I do the numbers. So 2 times 3, 6 times 4, 24 times 2 will be 48. So this will be 48 divided by 6. So let's continue over on this side over here. Alright, so here we have 9. Alright, so for this term here we have a minus into a plus. So we know that minus times plus will give me a minus. So 5 times 16 will be 80 plus 48 over 6. Alright, so for the 9 there is a plus. So if you focus on just the first two terms first, so plus 9 means you get $9, you give away $80, means you still give away $71, plus 48 over 6. So minus 71 plus 48 will give me minus 23 over 6, and putting that as a mixed number, okay, you get minus 3 and 5 over 6. Alright, so that is the final answer here. So as always, the most important things are to do it step by step systematically, and be very careful about the plus and minus signs, alright, when you are expanding and opening up brackets. Alright, Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.